Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a golf simulator at home. First, assess your available space. You will need at least 10 feet of width, 10 feet of depth, and 10 feet of height for a comfortable setup. Next, select a launch monitor that fits your budget and provides the data you desire. Then, choose a projector and an impact screen to display your virtual courses. Finally, pick a quality hitting mat for a realistic feel and to protect your clubs and floor. The core of your simulator includes a launch monitor, which accurately measures your swing and ball flight data. An impact screen is crucial. It safely absorbs the force of your shots while serving as your display surface. A high-definition projector brings the virtual courses to life, casting vibrant images onto the screen. Lastly, a quality hitting mat provides a realistic feel underfoot and protects your clubs and flooring from wear. Careful planning of your space is vital for safety and enjoyment. Ensure your room offers sufficient clearance, ideally 10 feet by 10 feet by 10 feet, allowing for full, unrestricted swings. Mount your projector overhead or to the side, avoiding any shadows on the screen and ensuring a crisp, full image. Securely hang your impact screen, making sure it is taut and wrinkle-free. Finally, place your launch monitor exactly as recommended by its manufacturer for accurate readings. Once your hardware is in place, install the golf simulation software on your computer or tablet. This software is the brain of your simulator, rendering the courses and tracking your shots. Connect your launch monitor to the software, typically using a USB cable or Bluetooth for seamless data transfer. Perform the necessary calibration steps to ensure all readings are precise. Now you are ready to enjoy countless hours of virtual golf, improving your game from the comfort of your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.